Gates open, they're up and racing. Top Notcher draws for your lead. Benissimo is on the outside. Inner Class racing in third, moving up by the Laon. Mamika, while Len is running at the tail of the field as they leave the straight and now rounding at the 3/4 mile pole. Top Notcher, Wing Command, Benissimo in second. Inner Class is on the outside. Mamika, Laon, and Len still in behind them as they move towards the last 900 with Top Notcher leading the field by 3/4 of a length lead. Racing on the outside, Benissimo. Inner Class racing in third. Mamika, Laon, and Len still running at the back of the pack, heading towards the last 600. Top Notcher still out in front by about a length. Running on the outside, Benissimo. Inner Class moving up on the outside. Laon making room by the realm of Mika and Len as they swing for home. Now we have entry number 1. Laon takes the lead. Running in between runners, Len, Top Notcher, Inner Class, and they come. Laon by the rail. Len is on the outside. We have Laon, Len on the outside. Laon. Len now the leader, followed by Laon with 75 meters. Jonathan Hernandez from last to first on top of Len. Second, Laon, Top Notcher. Then comes Inner Class, Mamika, and Benissimo.